Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Wix website to Google AdSense. First, we will cover the essential requirements for AdSense approval, ensuring your site is ready for monetization. Then, we'll walk through preparing your Wix site, making sure it aligns with all necessary guidelines. Finally, I'll guide you through the simple steps to link your AdSense account directly to your Wix platform. To gain AdSense approval, your Wix site needs to offer valuable, original content. Aim for at least 10 to 15 unique pages with substantial text. Your website must also provide a good user experience, with clear navigation and a professional appearance. Most importantly, ensure your site strictly adheres to all AdSense program policies, avoiding prohibited content or practices. Once your site is ready, log into your AdSense account to retrieve your unique verification code. Next, navigate to your Wix dashboard. Go to Settings, then Advanced, and find the Custom Code section. Here, you will paste the AdSense code into the head section of your site. This allows AdSense to verify ownership and begin the review process. After placing the code, AdSense typically takes a few days, sometimes up to 2 weeks, to review your site. Regularly check your AdSense account for status updates. If you encounter issues, double-check that the code is correctly placed in the head section and that your site fully complies with all AdSense policies. Patience is key during this final verification stage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.